Hey guys, it's me Leah from Leah Simmons Official. So basically this is like my singing, dancing channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. Today I am going to be singing Someone Like You by Adele. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not really good at that. I'll be good at it in like a few months. I heard that you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true, and she gives things that I cannot give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like someone back or hide from the light. I hate to turn it back now, but I sang the way I confide. I hope you see me. It's over. None of my life, nobody like you. You listen up the best for best for you. You forget me, I did. I remember what you said. But I love, but sometimes it hurts me. Like the love, sometimes yeah. Oh, wow. Time flies, only days, time of our lives. We're born and raised in the summer haze. Now, but the surprise of glory days. It's true. It's over. Never mind now find somebody like you. Got the best for you. Forget me, I think. Remember I say. Sometimes it hurts to say. Somebody like you, it's left the best friend for you. It's me, I think, I'm sometimes like the love. It's my fault, but you. Wishing up the best for you. Oh, giving me a day. I'll remember. Sometimes it has to last, but sometimes it has to love, but sometimes it has. thank you guys. You guys are really good. Yeah. You guys are really good. And I hope you guys will like me on this, on my channel. Just search in Leah Simmons Official. I'll probably write it. Yeah, I'll probably write it in the description. So, I'll probably put in tags, or I don't know. But I'm doing it on 7 days because today is my theme day. So, yeah. So we can start making videos, yeah. I still need people's emails, so yeah. If you guys are on 7 Dancing Tweens, I need your email. So I'll just comment down below. I really hope you guys like this, and yeah. You guys will have a great time on the channel. See you, subscribe, yeah. I'll see you guys every Saturday on 7 Dancing Tweens.